This video covers the IGCSE Biology Objective 9.3.2 on the 2025 CAIE syllabus to state the function of capillaries. So let's talk about blood flowing through a capillary before we get into the function. So blood flows through an artery into arterioles, into the capillary network, into venules, and then into veins. That's the typical blood flow through a capillary. So the structure of a capillary, it has an arterial end, and in the arterial end we'll have filtration. That is where, for example, if it's blood flowing to body tissue, the oxygen is going to move out of the capillary into the tissue fluid and then into the cells. And then we have the mid-capillary, where there really isn't any net movement, where we're going to have oxygen and carbon dioxide both moving through, so there isn't any one greater than the other. And then we have the venous end, where reabsorption is going to continue to take place. That, in the same idea of blood going to the body cells, is where carbon dioxide would be reabsorbed at the venous end, and then blood would flow out into venules and into veins and get pumped around the body. All right, so let's talk about the function of the capillary. So in this case, we're looking at an alveoli and then the capillary lumen around the alveoli. Oxygen is going to diffuse from the alveoli into the capillary lumen, and carbon dioxide is going to move from the capillary lumen into the alveoli. So if you notice, as the blood enters the frame, the carbon dioxide is immediately diffusing out into the alveoli. And then at the end, where we have the reabsorption section that I previously mentioned, you can see that a majority of the oxygen is moving from the alveoli into the lumen of that capillary. So the function of a capillary is to take nutrients, oxygen, and other materials to all the cells of the body, and then also to take away waste materials of the cells. And as we go further in our study of biology, we will learn more about where the waste materials are, what makes them, and how they move through the body.